This is our CX702 Mark II. It is a long-range internal security grade 2 movement sensor for large commercial and industrial installations. The detection pattern is 21 meters by 21 meters with an installation height of up to 3.6 meters. However, it has a little trick up its sleeve. By rotating the lens, you can change the detection pattern from a wide angle to a narrow long range, giving you a detection field of 45 meters. Within this large housing, we pack plenty of technology with advanced temperature compensation, sealed OPTEX with spherical lens design and double conductive shielding to mitigate false alarms from RF interference. As well as the wired Mark II, we also have the CX702RS, which combines the same technology but a low current battery operated version. For this, you will require a third-party transmitter, so please get in touch to check compatibility. For more information on the CX702 series, as well as any other OPTEX products, please visit our website.